Some believe that the most exotic of birds can only be found in regions far from their homes. Yet, it is surprising to learn that one of the most astonishing birds can be found all across the US. And here in Rockville, Maryland, they might just be flying at a safe height in your local neighborhood park. Here we see a flock of blue-crested skydios making their annual migration to Wisconsin. They are enticed by the call of the UAS4STEM competition and leave their home prepared with spare batteries and propellers to meet the challenges they will face on arrival. These birds cleverly avoid flying over people or buildings, but what prepares them for the testing adventure they will find in Wisconsin? As it turns out, it takes at most 10 people to get this creature ready for flight, and here is one of them now.
I've been watching these special birds for years as they've evolved unique talons to pick up all kinds of objects. I've found they have a particular affection for the steel-nosed nail stomper, a native of the Wisconsin area.
But just one bird watcher doesn't stand a chance at uncovering the mysteries of this great American bird.
Here at Rockville Science Center's Mechanical Ornithology Lab, we've been so grateful to have the help of 10 members and 2 incredible mentors to help prepare the birds for their journey.
And it looks like Veronica's colleagues are just as attentive to these birds as her.
We always store batteries safely.
We always remember that drones can cause damage to people and property.
We only fly in good weather.
Make sure the pilot is alert and capable to fly. Keep your eyes on the drone in the air at all times.
We document all changes to the drone in engineering notebooks and meeting records.
Always fly in an area with no other air traffic.
Always have fail-safes running.
Keep a safety checklist for before, during, and after flight.
These special birds started as dronelings, but with the help of their mentors and team members, they have grown into full drones.
Look at all these baby drones. Welcome to the world, little ones.
However, these beautiful creatures cannot stay abundant without your help. Join the competition to raise your own droneling, and one day, they too will make the fated migration out of the nest and to Wisconsin. Maximum altitude of 400 feet above ground level with your supervision.